Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare OpenAI versus VS Code. We'll explore their distinct purposes and functionalities to help you understand which tool best suits your needs. OpenAI excels in artificial intelligence and natural language processing, while VS Code is a robust, open-source code editor. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of their individual strengths and how they can complement each other in your workflow, whether you're a developer, researcher, or AI enthusiast. OpenAI's core strength lies in its advanced artificial intelligence models, like GPT-4 and DALL-E. These powerful tools enable natural language understanding, content generation, and even sophisticated code suggestions. Developers can integrate OpenAI's APIs into their applications, leveraging its capabilities for tasks ranging from automated customer support to complex data analysis. It's designed for innovation at the cutting edge of AI, offering solutions that learn and adapt. On the other hand, VS Code is a highly versatile and lightweight code editor, perfect for local development across various programming languages. Its extensive marketplace offers thousands of extensions, allowing developers to customize their environment for specific frameworks, debugging tools, and version control systems like Git. With built-in terminal access and robust debugging features, VS Code provides a comprehensive and efficient platform for writing, testing, and deploying code directly on your machine. Ultimately, the choice between OpenAI and VS Code depends on your primary objective. If you're focused on leveraging artificial intelligence for tasks like content creation, code generation, or data analysis, OpenAI is your go-to. However, for hands-on software development, debugging, and managing your code base locally, VS Code offers an unparalleled environment. Many professionals find that using both tools in conjunction provides the most powerful workflow, combining AI intelligence with a robust development platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.